In this question, we have a circular saw blade, okay, and then with an initial angular velocity, and then it goes to a stop, in 30 seconds, and then during this process, it turns 1500 revolutions. Okay, we need to find the angular acceleration. Okay, so to solve this problem, okay, we'll be using delta theta equals to half omega naught plus omega times t. Okay, so here we'll find omega naught first. Okay, so omega equals to 0, t equals to 30 seconds, delta theta is 1500 times 2 pi. Okay, that's the angular displacement.